Hello everyone, this is Gianluca and I am an Italian travel blogger living in the south of Italy. To be more specific, in a city which is close to Naples by the seaside, and its name is Portici. In this video I'm going to teach you how to ask for the bill when you are in Italy, especially when you are like in a restaurant, which is very common, like to ask to a waiter, okay? And guys, before I forget, in the description of the video I leave you some itineraries of my favorite place like nearby, which is the Sorrento and Amalfi Coast. They are itineraries that they go like from 3 to 7 days, okay? Now let's go back to business. So guys, one of the most common places where you basically can ask for the bill is of course a restaurant. Basically we have 3 ways to ask for the bill. One is a long sentence, well, not too long, but still like it's like the formal sentence. Then we have the shorter sentence, and then we have the funny one, which is the sign, and then I'll show you later. When we ask for the bill, there's like a formal way to ask it, which is posso avere il conto per favore, which literally like means may I have the bill please. And then you have the shorter way, which is il conto per favore, which basically means the bill please. The best way to start to practice it, maybe for you, is to say the shorter way. So, il conto per favore. And slowly, you can start to try the formal one, so the long one, which is posso avere il conto per favore. And then there is the third one, guys, which is the funny one. I don't really use it, I don't prefer it. And this is the sign, which is this one. So basically doing this, you are asking to the waiter to bring you the bill. Usually we use this when the waiter is so busy, he has to be like around your table like for a while. And basically you want to get his attention. And this can like happen very often, especially like in touristic places. So this is the third one. I mean, like, again, you can start with the shorter one, which is il conto per favore. Then there is the long one, posso avere il conto per favore. And then if you see that the waiter is so busy, then like he hasn't seen you like for a while, then you can use this one, like literally like lifting your arm. Yeah? Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to leave a like, a comment, and maybe to ask if you want to know something else. I'll see you in the next video.